Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I made this little fairy swing. So basically what you're going to need for this is popsicle sticks, scissors or shears. You're going to need hot glue and hot glue sticks. And I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make this part of the swing. So I basically just cut these out at an angle like this. I cut the ends off, and then I am going to just simply cut it at an angle. So this is what we have. And I'll do that one more time because you're going to need 4 of these. So we're just going to cut. And we're just going to glue or cut again. And then you're going to end up with 2 of these. And you want to make sure they're turned the opposite way. So they're turned this way, facing out. And then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and take your glue and you're going to put it here. And you're going to glue these down just like this. And you're going to spread it out a little bit. And once you're going to, like I said, you're going to do this 2 times. And I already have 2 done here. Next, I'm going to take my popsicle stick and my pencil, and I'm just going to cut here. And we're just going to take a measurement, and we're just going to cut again. And we're just going to make 2. I'm going to use 2 of these. And we're going to go ahead and glue them into place. Coco, you do not need to be up here. So we're going to put a dot of glue here and here. And we're just going to stick these on. And we're going to do that again. Here and here. And we're just going to go ahead and stick these here. Just like this. Okay, Coco, sit. Okay, now that we have our 2, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our stick. You're going to take another popsicle stick and you're going to cut it. And we're just going to cut the end off, just like this. So you should end up with something like this. And now we're going to take our hot glue. And we're just going to put a dab of hot glue here. And we're just going to stick this here just like this. And we're going to hold it until it dries. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Only I'm going to put the glue on the bottom. And then we're just going to stick it like this. And we're just going to hold this here until it dries. And this is what we have so far. And I'm just going to set that to the side. Okay, I need to put a little more hot glue. I moved it too soon before it was ready for me to move. And now we're going to do this again. So we're just going to hold this here. Just like this. And we're just going to set that there. I'm just trying to let it set until it dries. And while that's setting up to dry, we're going to go ahead and make the seat. So, once again, we're going to take our popsicle sticks and we're just going to cut. And I'm just going to cut the ends off and I'm going to measure. Okay, now I'm going to do this 3 more times. And I'm going to use my popsicle stick as a reference. And now I'm going to glue them all 3 of these together. And we're going to do the other one. And we're just going to stick this here, just like that. And this is what we have so far. Now, we're going to take another popsicle stick, and we're going to measure. Actually, I'm going to remove this one because it seems like it's a little bit off. And I'm just going to stick it here. And we're just going to go ahead and mark it. And I'm just going to cut. And we're going to glue. Stick it. Okay, we have that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure again. So we're going to cut here and here. And this is going to be the back of the swing. And I'm going to make, I think I did 2 on here. And then we're just going to grab some hot glue. And I think I might, let me look and see how this is going to look. Yeah, I think I'm going to do 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut one more here. And I'm going to measure. And we're just going to cut. Just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and glue those into place. And we're just going to stick it right there, right on top. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other 2. And I'm not going to do the third one because I don't really think I need it. And but I am going to take it and put it down like this. But I'm going to cut some of this off because I don't need it that long. So I'm going to mark it. And we're just going to cut a very little bit off. And I am going to glue it. Put a layer of glue here. And we're just going to stick this here just like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 of the popsicle sticks, and I'm just going to see how it's going to look. And I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 more popsicle sticks, but I'm going to leave the ends on this time. And I'm going to see how long is this going to be. Alright, so now I'm going to take some glue and put it on the back. And we're just going to glue it here like this. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And we're just going to stick that here just like this. And I want to make sure they're even, so this is what we're going to have. And now I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to put it on the top. And then we're going to go ahead and stick this here. And I'm going to hold this just for a little bit while it dries. Because I don't want to let it go too soon because it might not be fully dry. So we're just going to hold it here for a little bit. And it's not quite dry yet. And it is now. And this is what you're going to end up with. This is your little, let's move this stuff out of the way. And here is your little fairy swing. there we have it. Set that there, and that is it. A quick little fun project that kids may enjoy if you have them. And yeah, so here's the one we just made, and here's the one I made yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera back up so y'all can see me. And that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a like and a thumbs up. And if you want to see me do any other type of video, please let me know in the comment box below. And with that being said, I hope you all have a very nice night, and good night and bye.